Welcome to Demolition Worker. Today we explore the reconstruction site where a fresh generation of heavy machinery operators begins their journey. The morning sun rises over the vast construction landscape, illuminating the massive excavators waiting patiently for their new, eager commanders. Rebuilding a nation requires more than just steel and concrete. It demands passionate youth, willing to learn this incredibly demanding trade. These young men and women gather at the training center, their eyes filled with determination and hope for a brighter future. Before anyone touches a real machine, strict discipline and rigorous safety protocols must be deeply ingrained into every single trainee's mind. Instructors with decades of experience stand before the class, sharing invaluable knowledge about hydraulic systems, weight distribution, and site hazard management. Every student takes meticulous notes, understanding that a single mistake on the field could cost millions of dollars or human lives. The classroom environment is intense, yet a strong sense of camaraderie unites these aspiring operators in their shared mission of rebuilding. They study complex blueprints and operational manuals, memorizing every lever, button, and warning light found inside the modern excavator control cabin. Safety helmets and bright yellow vests are distributed, marking the first official step in their physical transformation into heavy demolition workers. Next, the trainees move to the advanced simulation room, where virtual reality bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. Sitting in advanced simulator chairs, they grip the joysticks for the very first time, feeling the simulated resistance of heavy soil. High-definition screens display realistic construction environments, complete with unpredictable weather conditions, dynamic terrain changes, and simulated mechanical failures testing them. The instructor monitors their progress from a central terminal, analyzing their reaction times, precision, and adherence to strict safety operational guidelines. Mistakes made in this virtual world are crucial learning opportunities, allowing students to crash and fail without causing any real damage. Hours of repetitive virtual exercises build essential muscle memory, ensuring that their hands will move instinctively when facing real-world pressure. You can see the intense concentration on their faces as they try to delicately balance a heavy virtual load perfectly. Slowly but surely, the jerky movements become smoother, and their confidence grows with every successfully completed virtual excavation and loading task. The simulation phase finally concludes, and the best performing trainees are selected to proceed to the actual outdoor demolition clearing site. Stepping out into the dusty air, the sheer scale of the real machinery suddenly hits them, making their hearts beat faster. A massive yellow excavator towers over the group like a sleeping iron giant, waiting to be awakened by a skilled operator. The lead instructor demonstrates the mandatory pre-operation inspection, checking hydraulic fluid levels, inspecting track tension, and looking for structural damage. Every trainee must repeat this inspection process flawlessly, proving they respect the equipment and understand the immense responsibility they now carry. The smell of diesel fuel and fresh earth fills the air, creating an unforgettable sensory experience for these young future builders. It is time for the first student to climb the steel steps and enter the glass cabin of the mighty excavator. With trembling but determined hands, the young operator secures the heavy safety belt and adjusts the ergonomic seat to fit perfectly. Turning the ignition key brings the massive diesel engine to life, sending powerful vibrations through the entire chassis and the ground. A cloud of black smoke puffs from the exhaust pipe as the engine settles into a steady, deep, and reassuring rumble. The instructor stands safely outside, communicating via a two-way radio, giving clear and calm instructions to the nervous trainee. Gently pushing the left joystick forward, the operator watches in awe as the massive steel boom slowly rises into the sky. The hydraulic cylinders hiss with immense pressure, translating the operator's slight finger movements into thousands of pounds of pure lifting force. Now comes the ultimate test, swinging the heavy arm around and positioning the steel bucket directly over a pile of debris. The trainee hesitates for a brief second, remembering the simulator lessons, before confidently lowering the bucket into the hard, rocky soil. Metal teeth scrape against the earth, biting deep into the ground as the operator curls the bucket to scoop the dirt. The engine roars louder, fighting the resistance of the heavy earth, but the powerful machine easily overcomes the stubborn concrete rubble. Lifting the fully loaded bucket high into the air, the young operator feels an incredible surge of pride and unmatched accomplishment. Fellow trainees watch from a safe distance, erupting into loud cheers and applause as the first successful scoop is perfectly executed. The operator carefully swings the cabin to the right, aligning the heavy bucket directly over the waiting bed of a dump truck. With a precise flick of the wrist, the bucket opens, releasing a massive cascade of dirt and rocks into the truck. Dust billows into the sky, catching the afternoon sunlight, creating a beautiful cinematic moment that celebrates human skill and mechanical power. One by one, each student takes their turn in the operator seat, facing their fears and mastering the giant metal beast. Some struggle initially with the sensitive controls, making the machine jerk aggressively, but the patient instructors guide them back to smoothness. We see a female trainee confidently maneuvering the excavator, proving that this demanding industry welcomes anyone with dedication and true grit. Her precise movements clear a massive pile of twisted rebar, opening a new pathway for other construction vehicles to pass through. The teamwork displayed here is truly inspiring, as spotters on the ground use standard hand signals to guide the blind spots. This seamless communication between the operator and the ground crew is absolutely vital for preventing catastrophic accidents on the busy site. As the day progresses, the once chaotic pile of destruction is slowly transformed into a clean, level surface ready for rebuilding. The trainees are not just moving dirt, they are literally laying the foundation for their country's bright and prosperous new future. Every bucket of rubble removed represents a step away from past devastation and a bold leap towards modern infrastructure and hope. During the lunch break, the young workers sit together under a shaded tent, sharing stories and laughing about their initial mistakes. The older veterans share tales of their own early days, passing down wisdom that cannot be found in any official manual. This intergenerational bonding strengthens the workforce, creating a tight-knit family of builders who deeply trust and rely on one another. Returning to work, the afternoon session focuses on advanced techniques, such as grading the soil to create perfectly flat building foundations. Grading requires an incredibly delicate touch, using the flat bottom of the heavy bucket to gently smooth the rough earth surface. The trainees realize that heavy machinery operation is an art form, demanding both brute strength and surgical precision at all times. An unexpected challenge arises when a massive, stubborn boulder refuses to budge, testing the problem-solving skills of an ambitious student. Instead of forcing it, the operator cleverly digs around the base, loosening the surrounding soil before easily lifting the giant rock. The instructor nods in quiet approval, recognizing the critical thinking and adaptability that define a truly exceptional heavy equipment operator. Shadows begin to lengthen across the dusty construction site as the golden hour bathes the yellow machines in a warm glow. The relentless roaring of the diesel engines continues, a powerful symphony of progress echoing across the vast and busy reconstruction zone. We witness a synchronized dance of multiple excavators, bulldozers, and dump trucks working flawlessly together under the fading afternoon sun rays. The young operators are now fully immersed in their tasks, their initial nervousness replaced by intense focus and growing professional confidence. They have successfully transitioned from mere students to capable apprentices, ready to tackle the immense challenges of rebuilding their beloved homeland. The amount of work accomplished in a single day by these massive machines is staggering, showcasing the pinnacle of human engineering. A drone shot flies high above the site, revealing the dramatic transformation from a ruined landscape to a prepped construction zone. Down below, the trainees begin the crucial shutdown procedures, letting the hard-working engines cool down after a long day of labor. They carefully clean the tracks, removing stuck rocks and packed mud, showing profound respect for the equipment that empowers their work. Locking the cabins and securing the site, the young men and women gather one last time for the final daily debriefing. The chief instructor praises their incredible progress, highlighting specific moments of excellent teamwork and strict adherence to mandatory safety operational protocol. Exhausted but visibly proud, the trainees take off their hard hats, wiping sweat and dirt from their smiling, deeply satisfied faces. They have conquered the iron giants today, proving to themselves and the world that the future of construction is in capable hands. This comprehensive training program ensures that Iran's reconstruction efforts will never lack the skilled manpower required to rebuild stronger and better. Beyond just technical skills, these young people have learned the vital importance of discipline, patience, and unwavering responsibility toward their community. The heavy machinery industry offers them a stable career path, financial independence, and a profound sense of purpose in their lives. As they walk away from the site, the massive excavator stands silently in the twilight, like loyal guardians waiting for tomorrow. Tomorrow will bring new challenges, deeper excavations, and heavier loads. But this dedicated new generation is fully prepared to handle everything. The legacy of hard work and resilience is being successfully passed down, ensuring that the spirit of rebuilding never truly fades. We observe the calloused hands of a young trainee, serving as a beautiful testament to the honest and demanding physical labor. These hands will shape the future skyline, pouring concrete, lifting steel, and creating safe homes for thousands of displaced families soon. The demolition phase is merely the beginning. It clears the painful past to make ample room for a bright, innovative future. Every skilled operator out there knows that their daily work directly contributes to the healing and remarkable growth of their nation. The powerful combination of advanced modern technology and passionate human spirit is an unstoppable force for positive change and urban renewal. We reflect on the incredible journey witnessed today, from the quiet classroom theories to the roaring, earth-shattering reality of the site. The transition from a nervous beginner to a confident operator is a beautiful metamorphosis, highlighting human adaptability and relentless inner strength. It takes immense courage to control a 30-ton machine, knowing that a single reckless move could have absolutely devastating consequences. Yet these young trainees handled the immense pressure with extraordinary grace, proving their worthiness to join the elite ranks of builders. The construction industry is evolving rapidly, demanding operators who are not just physically strong, but also highly intelligent and technically proficient. Today's training session was a resounding success, laying a solid foundation for a lifetime of safe, efficient, and highly productive work. The camaraderie forged in the dust and noise of the site will last a lifetime, creating an unbreakable brotherhood of operators. As the night finally falls completely, powerful floodlights illuminate the site, allowing the vital reconstruction work to continue without any pause. A new shift of experienced night workers arrives, seamlessly taking over the heavy machines to maintain the relentless pace of progress. The trainees watch them work for a moment, aspiring to reach that level of effortless mastery and incredible nighttime operational efficiency. They head home to rest their tired bodies, knowing they have taken a massive step toward their ultimate professional career goals. The future of the demolition and reconstruction industry is undeniably bright, fueled by the boundless energy and passion of these youths. We will continue to follow their inspiring journey in the upcoming episodes, witnessing their remarkable growth into seasoned heavy machinery experts. Thank you for joining us on this incredible educational adventure into the heart of the modern heavy construction and demolition world. This has been another exciting episode of Demolition Worker. Stay safe, keep rebuilding, and we will see you in the next video.